Today we are at Harvey's. Got an Otis elevator. It's got the ELD display. It's the old Otis name right here. Right there. As you can see on the door. Not getting a cab view since these are mirrored elevators. Picking someone up. Going down?
Yes.
What level do you need?
To the casino.
Casino?
Yeah.
L?
Yeah, the lobby's
No.
fine. It's fine.
The other C or
It's okay because it's the lobby. It's fine. And the room is so small.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
You too.
Going up?
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Look at that Otis name. And this elevator has the electroluminescent display, as you can see. Well, but here we are. Well, but anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye.